Lalagyan lang siguro eh.
Hindi mo na patanggal ang onion.
Hindi ko na pinatanggal.
Yan yung tamali.
Yan na, pag-skip mo. Ayan na. Video mo muna. Ay, kaso maingay.
Paano? Ayun. Ito naman, sisirahin. Kunin ko muna kaya. Sarap. Or not, or ano. No.
Not by jam.
Not your jam.
Sometimes things go faster on So we have strawberry crunch left. We have banana pudding left. We have one more candied yam cheesecake in the front. It's like a sweet potato pie cheesecake. Yep. 2 more blueberry lemons. 2 more passion fruit with the passion fruit boba. Sorry. And then homemade strawberry jam right here. Peach cobbler in the back. I have plain vanilla bean. I have 1 more Reese's peanut butter cup with the peanut butter batter. And then I have 2 more Mexican hot chocolate with the cinnamon sugar whipped cream. And then we use the abuelita hot chocolate like the Mexicans use inside of the batter. So the baby cakes, they come in 6 packs or 12 packs. Estimating you can purchase them individually. It's a better deal to do the packs, but you don't have to.
How much is it?
So the 6-pack is $29.
Kakaiba ah. Ibang presentation. Ba't parang ano?
Shrimp taco.